Exotic animal, the Amelanistic zebra. In the vast, sun-drenched savannas of Africa, the zebra stands as one of the continent's most iconic animals. With their bold black and white stripes, zebras are instantly recognizable, embodying the wild spirit of the plains. But every so often, nature offers a surprising twist on this familiar pattern. Imagine, if you will, a zebra whose stripes are not the deep blacks and crisp whites we expect, but rather a soft, almost golden orange replacing the dark bands. This is the rare phenomenon known as amelanism, a genetic condition that produces what some have called the Amelanistic zebra. Amelanism, much like its better-known counterpart albinism, is a pigmentation abnormality. However, while albinism refers to a complete absence of all pigments, resulting in a pure white appearance with pink eyes, amelanism is more specific. It is characterized by the lack of melanin, the pigment responsible for producing black or brown coloration, while leaving other pigments unaffected. In the case of the zebra, this means the typical black stripes are replaced by shades ranging from pale gold to a striking orange, while the white stripes remain, resulting in a truly captivating and unusual appearance. Recent sightings and photographs, such as those highlighted on Project Noah, have brought attention to this rare condition. One particularly striking image shows a plain zebra with orange-colored stripes, a living testament to the unpredictable beauty of genetic variation in the wild. Such occurrences are exceedingly rare, both in the wild and in captivity, making each documented case a subject of fascination for scientists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. Despite their extraordinary appearance, Amelanistic zebras are, in most respects, just like their more conventionally colored counterparts. Their health, behavior, and ability to interact within their herds remain unaffected by the absence of melanin. The condition is entirely cosmetic, stemming from a genetic variation that alters the traditional pigment pathway. Zebras with this condition continue to graze, socialize, and migrate with their herds, seamlessly integrated into the intricate fabric of the savanna ecosystem. The rarity of amelanistic zebras in the wild may be due, in part, to the complex genetics of pigmentation. In most animal populations, the genes responsible for color patterns serve purposes beyond mere aesthetics. For zebras, their stripes are believed to play a role in confusing predators, regulating body temperature, and even deterring biting insects. While the orange stripes of an amelanistic zebra may stand out to the human eye, there is little evidence to suggest that these individuals are at a significant disadvantage within their natural environment. In fact, the condition has not been linked to any major health issues or behavioral changes. Scientists are particularly interested in cases of amelanism because they offer insights into the genetic diversity of zebra populations. Each amelanistic zebra represents a unique genetic combination, a living experiment in evolution's laboratory. By studying these rare individuals, researchers can better understand the genetic mechanisms that govern pigmentation, as well as the broader implications for the survival and adaptability of zebra species. The phenomenon of amelanism is not exclusive to zebras. It has been documented in a range of other species, from reptiles and birds to mammals. In each case, the absence of melanin produces striking variations in coloration, often bringing with it a heightened interest from the scientific community and the public. However, because zebras are so visually distinctive to begin with, the impact of amelanism is especially dramatic, transforming an already remarkable animal into something truly extraordinary. In captivity, the occurrence of amelanistic zebras is slightly more common, though still rare. This is likely due to the controlled breeding environments and the ability to monitor and document genetic anomalies more closely than in the wild. When such zebras are born, they often become the subject of considerable attention, both from researchers and from visitors who marvel at their unusual beauty. These captive individuals provide valuable opportunities for close study, allowing scientists to observe the effects of amelanism over the course of the animal's life. It is important to emphasize that while the appearance of amelanistic zebras is striking, the condition does not signify any underlying health problems. Unlike some genetic mutations that can compromise an animal's well-being, amelanism affects only the pigmentation pathway. The affected zebras eat, move, and behave just like their herd mates. Their social interactions remain unchanged, and there is no evidence to suggest that they are ostracized or treated differently by other zebras. Within the greater context of wildlife conservation, the existence of Amelanistic zebras is a reminder of the genetic richness present in natural populations. Although the condition is rare and has not been linked to any significant population trends, each occurrence adds to our understanding of zebra biology and genetics. It also highlights the importance of preserving wild habitats, where such unique variations can continue to emerge and thrive. For those lucky enough to witness an amelanistic zebra in the wild, the experience is often unforgettable. The soft orange stripes catch the light in unexpected ways, creating a shimmering effect as the animal moves through the grass. In a landscape dominated by familiar patterns, the appearance of something so different serves as a powerful testament to the endless creativity of nature. As our knowledge of genetics continues to expand, the study of amelanistic zebras and other pigment anomalies will undoubtedly yield new discoveries. These rare animals challenge our assumptions about what is normal in the natural world and invite us to consider the value of diversity, both seen and unseen. In the end, the amelanistic zebra stands not just as a curiosity, but as a symbol of the hidden wonders that still await discovery in the wild. Through their presence, these extraordinary zebras remind us that nature is never static. It is a living, evolving tapestry, woven from countless genetic threads. Each thread, whether black, white, or orange, plays a vital role in the ongoing story of life on Earth. And sometimes it is the rarest threads that shine the brightest, capturing our imagination and inspiring us to look closer at the world around us. Discover more fascinating stories about the natural world by subscribing to Paws, Claws, and Wilderness. Join our community as we explore the extraordinary lives of animals, uncover rare genetic wonders, and delve into the delicate balance of ecosystems. Stay updated with our latest episodes, packed with intriguing facts and breathtaking wildlife moments. Hit that subscribe button and embark on an unforgettable journey through the wild, where every creature has a story worth sharing.